Okay, so husband just made the Cuban pork burgers, and while I was making my video, I didn't realize this, and he didn't realize this until we were about to cook the meal, but the company did not send me the pork, so I will be contacting them, and most likely they will be giving me a credit. But instead, they gave me sirloin steak, so we are eating sirloin steak burgers. So this is the burger. We still have the potatoes. They just need to be in the oven just a little bit longer, but since the burger's ready, we're going to eat that right away. So I'm going to take a couple bites, and I'll let you guys know what the potatoes look like in just a few minutes. Okay, so here are the potatoes. I really like the potatoes. They're crisp enough. They taste awesome. I don't taste any seasoning on them. They just taste like regular wedged potatoes. The burger's okay. To me, it's a little chewy, but it's supposed to be pork, but it's actually a steak. Would I eat this again? Yes, I would really like to try a pork burger because I don't think I've ever had a pork burger. But Graham, what would you rate this?
Well, considering it's not the meal it's supposed to be and considering it improvised, I cut the steaks thickness-wise, so into thin pieces, grilled them up with their sauce and cumin, and then made a mayo with mustard, and it turned out to be pretty good.
Yeah. The only thing he didn't put on is cheese because he's not really into cheeseburgers. I really like cheese, but would I try this again? Yes, hopefully we can try it the right way, but on to the next meal. Okay, so now for our second meal, the husband made Tex-Mex tilapia with cilantro, lime, couscous, and green beans. We weren't just really craving the green beans. I'm not a green bean person. He's not really much one, but he will eat them. But he's just like, can I do it without it? I says, yeah, that's fine, but I have tried couscous. The first time I tried it was with HelloFresh, so I kind of know what that tastes like, and I've never tried tilapia before, so let's try it. Okay, so I've had a couple bites of this. It's alright. The couscous is a little dry. The tilapia just tastes like regular fish to me, but I'm just not craving it really much. Husband said this is by far the best HelloFresh meal he's ever had.
Number 1 or number 2? Probably number 2.
So he you can tell he ate his food. But he's gonna probably just eat the rest of mine for leftovers tomorrow. But would I eat this again? Probably not. He definitely would. So now we're gonna try another meal. Okay, so the last meal that we made is the peppercorn gravy steak. I love broccoli, and I love toast. So this is what it looks like in the book, or the, I don't know, I can't even speak, you guys. But this is what the meal looks like. It actually looks very real to what it looks like on the card, which is nice because sometimes we get a lot of meals that don't even look like it. So we're just gonna dig in and see how it tastes. Okay, you guys, so I actually ate my whole meal pretty fast. Not as fast as my husband because he's already left for the table, but I really enjoyed this meal. The sauce was a little bit peppery, I guess, a little too much for me, but the sauce was pretty good. I loved the bread. It was a different kind of bread. My husband tried stealing my bread, and I would not let him take it. The broccoli, I like it boiled more than baked, but it was still a pretty good meal. I'd eat this meal again. Graham, what do you think of it?
Give it a B+.
Yeah, I give it an A. So, thank you guys for watching. If you guys are interested in meals like these, please don't forget to check out my referral link where you guys can get $40 off your first box of HelloFresh. Just say try it. That's all I say. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys all later. Bye-bye.